In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails using Zoho CRM in 2025. Sending mass emails in Zoho CRM is a powerful way to communicate with your contacts and boost your marketing efforts. We'll walk through the steps to ensure that you can send your messages effectively and efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Contacts module. This will be your starting point for managing the list of people you wish to email. Once you're in the Contacts section, you can see various modules on the page. Look out for the Modules option because it will allow you to choose the specific module you want to send an email from, whether it's leads, contacts, or another module. Selecting the right one is crucial in targeting the correct audience. After selecting your module, click on the Actions button. This will open up several options related to managing your selected contacts. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Mass Email. This will guide you to the mass email settings and options available within Zoho CRM. Next, proceed to Create Mass Email. This is where the engine of your email campaign starts. Here, you'll input all necessary email details, such as the subject line and any specific personalization tokens you may want to use for that personal touch. Be sure to pay attention to each field because these details can significantly impact the effectiveness of your email campaign. Now it's time to select a template for your email. Click on Select Template and browse through the various templates offered by Zoho. Pick one that aligns with your message and campaign objectives. Templates can save you a lot of time and help brand your emails consistently. You may also want to consider the option of adding follow-up emails. This feature enables you to plan subsequent communications following the initial email, which can be particularly useful for nurturing leads or maintaining customer engagement. By strategically planning these follow-ups, you ensure that your communication remains persistent yet non-intrusive. Once you've set everything up and reviewed your email details, the final step is to click Send. This will trigger the distribution process, and your mass email will be on its way to reaching all selected contacts. And there you have it, the complete guide to sending mass emails in Zoho CRM in 2025. Remember, crafting an effective email campaign requires thoughtful planning and consideration of your audience's needs. Take advantage of Zoho's features to personalize and optimize your emails. With practice, you'll find this process becomes intuitive, allowing you to focus more on your message and less on the mechanics. Happy emailing.